Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play WoW W mode in PUBG. To begin your adventure in World of Wonder, first launch PUBG Mobile and navigate to the main menu. Look for the World of Wonder section, which is your gateway to an exciting array of player-created experiences. This innovative creative mode offers countless unique game types and maps, all designed by the community. You can easily browse through public creations or join a private match with your friends for a tailored experience. Once inside World of Wonder, you'll find a diverse lobby showcasing many custom creations. You can explore different categories, such as unique battle royale variations or intense team deathmatch scenarios. Use the filtering options to sort maps by popularity, recent additions, or specific gameplay mechanics that pique your interest. Remember, each custom game offers distinct rules, objectives, and map designs, providing a fresh experience every time you play. Playing in World of Wonder modes requires adaptability and quick thinking. Before diving into any custom match, take a moment to review its specific rules and objectives, as they can vary greatly. You'll need to adapt your usual PUBG strategies to the unique map layouts and custom item spawns. Many player-designed modes incorporate special devices, such as custom spawn points, adjustable blue zones, and unique item dispensers, which fundamentally change the gameplay flow. Embrace the unexpected and have fun experimenting. World of Wonder truly fosters creativity, offering endless replayability with new content appearing daily. It's a fantastic way to experience PUBG Mobile in fresh and innovative ways, far beyond the standard battle royale. Engage with the vibrant community by rating maps you enjoy and sharing your favorite discoveries with friends. While not all custom modes offer direct rewards, many provide unique challenges and a chance to earn bragging rights among your peers. Dive in and explore the boundless possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.